It's not my remark alone. It is said by very many people in our state that there is no expenditure being made by the state government for the people of the state for their development. This is a very sad thing to report. Time and again this has been brought to the attention of this state government that there must be some expenditure for the development of the people of the state, but they seem to be totally neglectful about this. Everyone is suffering. It's not exclusive to any people, it is everyone that is suffering. It's like they're playing on empty vessels, and we all know that empty vessels make a good sound, and that's what they're satisfied by. I'm very sorry to report these facts. Thank you.
शारदा भाई